Hey there. Let's use AI today to create an invoice. I work from home and I have global clients, and oftentimes they ask me to translate an invoice into another language. So not only can I use AI to create the invoice, but I can also translate it. So why don't we get started and see how easy this is to do? And again, I'm using Gemini. You can certainly use ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, whatever AI that you're feeling comfortable with. And that's one of the reasons that I encourage people to just play around with AI, the different platforms of AI, so that it can get to know you and it knows your patterns and your style. And it eventually begins to, I guess, put your voice through. Not that in an invoice that's important, but certainly when you're doing other tasks. So for today, let's just create an invoice so I can show you how simple and fast it is. All right. So let's go to Gemini here and just say create an invoice as follows. Uh, let's see, service provider. Let's call it B Consulting. 123 Main Street. Um, um, I don't know, Concord, Connecticut, service recipient. Um, I don't know, let's make something up. Elm Street in Norwich, Massachusetts, whatever. Okay, so an invoice requires five things: the who, what. Okay, what are we talking about? We're talking about 5 hours consulting services as follows: 1 hour each, February 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15, 20, 26. So that's where obviously we have the where. Let's put in the bank details and bank at 1 hour each or at $125 per hour. Um, wire or Zelle payment to bank. Let's make up a name, Rich Bank. Account beneficiary it would be RB Consulting. Let's say account number one, whatever. ABA number. Uh, payable in US dollars, because especially if you're working with international clients, you want to make sure that you have the right currency. Payable in US dollars. Payable upon receipt. You don't want them sitting on your invoice for 60 months, 60 days or 6 months upon receipt. And I think we have it all. Who, what, when, where, and how. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. There we go. Provider information, da, 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 da. Bill to, so far so good. Invoice details, wonderful. Okay, payable in terms, currency, perfect. Please submit payment to wire transfer or Zelle, bank name, da, 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 da. Thank you for your business. All right. So it took 2 minutes maybe? So now let's ask it, please translate this invoice into, let's pick a language, Spanish. Let's see what that. There it is. Wow, look at that, how quickly it did that. And that's by using, of course, we can go to Google Drive and use their forms there. They have free invoices, but this is so much faster, in my opinion, because it really cuts out maybe sections that you may not need, and you can really customize it using your AI. And more importantly, you can translate it if you have clients that you have to send in French or Chinese or whatever. So I hope you found today's micro lesson valuable. As always, please let me know if there's a topic that you want me to cover, and I will certainly be happy to do that. So have fun with it, play with it, and I hope you found this valuable. Take care. I'm going to stop sharing screen. Thanks.